Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Uh, Asian markets are mixed as usual. US futures are slightly lower. Just like India, the US market is also coming under profit booking after hitting a fresh all-time high. On Friday, S&P 500 hit almost 5,000. I'm talking about the future, not the spot. GIF Nifty indicating about a 40-50 point gap down, and that is expected because number one, GIF Nifty is not liquid, and number two, it follows the global cues. Coming back to the stock specific, most people, most places, I find that people started talking negative about State Bank of India. But actually, State Bank of India results are not bad. They are in fact good. Last year, they made about 14,000 crore profit, and this year they've actually made 16,000 crore profit. But due to some 7,000 crore provisioning for some problem, so the profit, looks like, it is 35% down. So everywhere headline news is that, State Bank of India profit down 35%. So probably that may not happen. So, but State Bank of India is trading near all-time high. So therefore, no profit booking is not ruled out. But the result is not actually as bad as it is being projected by the media. So that's one thing. Second thing, the banking stocks have fallen already on Friday significantly. I think HDFC Bank has fallen nearly 25 rupees from intraday high to low, 25-30 rupees. So if the people want to do the selling further, the follow-on selling, so they need some negative clue. But FIAs were net buyers on Friday. The domestic institutions were net buyers for more than 2,000 crores on Friday. So therefore, I don't think that the people will be actively short selling today also. So though GIFT Nifty indicating about 50-point gap down, for the last many weeks we have been seeing GIFT Nifty has not been a correct indication. Mostly when we follow the global cues, the GIFT Nifty indication may be mostly correct, but nowadays we don't follow the global cues. When global markets are going up, we are going down. When global markets are going down, we are going up. So, our market, since the February series started, it has been very, very highly volatile. I think for the last 7 or 8 trading session, Nifty almost makes more than 250, 300 point move on a day-to-day basis. So our market is such a volatile market, and this volatility has to subside somewhere. So as I always say, markets will be too volatile either at the top end or at the bottom end. Okay, now the market volatility has come at the top end. So that is near the all-time high, or in fact on Friday it took all-time high. So it will be interesting to see for the next few trading session, with most of the results are out, and usually State Bank of India is the last big company to declare the result. But this time there are few more companies like Bharti Airtel and few other companies are also declaring results even after the State Bank of India. But anyway, they are all not index heavyweights. Big companies, but they are not index heavyweights. So State Bank is the last one, to declare the results as an index heavyweight stock. So usually when all the results are over and the markets will be trending either side. But the big problem is that we don't know which side it is going to be trending. So I'm expecting at least 400 to 500 point move in Nifty on either side by the end of February. So we still have 4 more weeks to go. So 3 weeks, full weeks, 1 week, 4 days. So roughly about 19 trading session. 19 trading session, 400, 500 point is, our market is moving every day around that level 400 to 500 point, but 19 days 400 500 point is not a big deal. But somewhere, markets will be taking that direction. It cannot be too volatile. Both sides move every day, almost every day like this. So anyway, so this time the option premiums are really very good. Premiums are shooting up like anything because of these bigger moves. So those things also should subside. But by the time these things subside, election commission is likely to announce the dates for parliament election. So looking at the open interest, so I think I already told you last week itself, 21,125 is the 124 was the all-time high earlier. Now Friday 125 is the all-time high. So crossing and closing that may be a difficult task with the kind of selling pressure we are having. So because of that, 22,200 call option having the good open interest. So anybody, I think 21,500 on the downside, 22,200 on the upside. So looks to be the range for this week. So the people will be selling call option at 22,200 and put option on 21,500. So FIAs did not sell on Friday, so that's something good. Nifty closed at 21 above 80 21,835, the previous high. That's the second good news. But the volatility and the global cues. US cues has always been good. US markets, even on Friday on a closing basis also, it closed at all-time high. So we will see where the market goes. And stock specific news, Reliance will be in focus because the windfall tax has been increased. State Bank will be in focus because of its results, and ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank will be in focus because both ADRs were down significantly on Friday, and TCS and Infosys will be in focus because when banks are falling, IT stocks tend to move higher. But Infosys ADR was also down on Friday in US markets. And of course, there are other stocks, which are likely to declare results today or tomorrow, or the companies that declared the results over the weekend. So they may also be in focus. So particularly, the bulls are looking to HDFC Bank to support this market, but that is not coming. So the funny thing is that both bulls and bears are looking to HDFC Bank for the direction of the market. So that will be because in my opinion, NSE should consider capping the uh, uh, weightage for stocks. One stock should not have more than like 8 or 10% weightage in Nifty. So the problem is that HDFC Bank has a 15% weightage in Nifty, and that's making huge volatile move. So that's giving trouble for all traders. So let us see what is going to happen today. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.